this video today, I'd like to talk to you about how we treat rheumatoid arthritis with acupuncture. Rheumatoid arthritis, as you know, is an autoimmune disease. There are more and more autoimmune diseases coming up, occurring. More people are getting them in the last few decades, and it's a big concern, and there's not a lot of good treatment options for them. Acupuncture is an excellent treatment option for not only rheumatoid arthritis but all autoimmune conditions, and I'll tell you a little bit about that in a second. But specifically, rheumatoid arthritis is a condition where the joints in a person's body become inflamed, and that inflammation causes pain, and it tends to move from joint to joint for people with rheumatoid arthritis. And what's going on, I mean, I'm not a specialist in this area and from a Western medical point of view, but in the basic sense, what's happening is that the body is attacking itself, and it's attacking itself specifically in the joints, and that's what causes the inflammation in the joints. So acupuncture treats this on two levels, and it's the two-level treatment approach that makes it so successful. On the one hand, what we're doing is we're treating actually where the pain is. Where there's pain in the joint, for example, let's say there's knee pain, we will actually treat locally at the knee, and that will help disperse the inflammation, cool it off in a sense, reduce the pain. And we can do that for wherever it appears at any joint. However, as you could imagine, that's just temporary and just treating the symptom. So there's a second aspect to this treatment in acupuncture which makes it so superior, and that is, while we're treating locally at the site of the pain, we're also treating holistically, systemically at the whole body. And that's a completely different strategy, and that strategy is not to reduce inflammation, but that strategy is to get the body to stop attacking itself. And Chinese medicine is designed exquisitely for that. We can select points that specifically strengthen the body's ability to stop attacking itself. This attacking itself position is an imbalance, okay? The whole autoimmune syndrome of attacking one's own body is an imbalance that's brought about by a lot of different factors, and the research is still going on as to why exactly that's occurring. But the thing is, acupuncture itself, by bringing the body back into balance, can stop that process. Maybe not completely, but dramatically quiet that process down. So acupuncture is not at this point offering a cure for autoimmune conditions, but it's offering a therapy that will dramatically reduce the incidence of the body attacking itself. Now you combine that with going to specific areas where the pain is occurring, and you've got yourself a very good therapy. And that's exactly what acupuncture can offer for autoimmune conditions, and specifically for rheumatoid arthritis. If you've been diagnosed with RA, you've got to go to the Western doc. You've got to do the Western medicine techniques. That's important. But if you're not satisfied, or if you still have pain after you're going through those Western therapies, I encourage you very much to explore Chinese medicine and the acupuncture, because we will make a tremendous difference to help you further along in your treatment. You'll come in, we'll assess you, we'll find out what's going on, where your pain is, and then we'll treat you. And the treatments are very relaxing. There are no side effects at all. If you're taking medications from your Western doc for the RA, the acupuncture will not interfere in any way with it. It'll simply help you feel better. It will help your body quiet down. It will help this whole attacking itself phenomenon to quiet down and become much less prevalent in your body. Feel free, please, to call us to find out more if you suffer from RA. If you've got other autoimmune conditions and you're curious about how acupuncture approaches the treatment of them, we'd love to talk to you about that as well. Take care.